Good morning dear students. Today we are going to study moral science subject and the first chapter of this subject is living in harmony. So let us start. First of all, I'll tell you what is the meaning of harmony. Harmony means people live with each other with inner peace and joy. They live peacefully with each other. Here I am going to give you a short explanation of this chapter. Okay, so let us start. See, India is an republic nation. Indian Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated as national days here in India. And here patriot means the person who loves his motherland and he loves his country. Cultural heritage, it means an expression and values of the way of living developed by a community and passes on from generation to generation. See, many of the Indians sacrificed their life so that they died for the country to get freedom for the country. And then we all know about Mahatma Gandhi. He is the father of our nation. So dear students, we all know Gandhiji taught all the Indians that we have to live with unity and peace. We celebrate his birth anniversary on 2nd October. As we all know, millions of Indians got freedom for our country with sacrifice of great freedom with the great freedom fighters. And then here we can see that here it is written something like this: martyrdom of Mahatma Gandhi. Martyrdom of Mahatma Gandhi, you can see it means shaheed hone wala din, means he died on this day. Okay, then celebration in India is the most important in our culture. In India, celebration is very much important. See, we celebrate many festivals. You can see here in the picture many different types of festivals are celebrated here. Here boat race is going on in this picture, and in this picture see Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath in Puri, and see the Kumbh Mela and the pilgrimage to the shrine in Ajmer, Vailankani festival in Tamil Nadu, and the Sabarimala pilgrimage of Kerala, etc. attract the millions of people from all over the country. We can see that these all things are what is this picture about? It is about the festivals. Okay, so Indian people celebrate different types of festivals. In it also includes cattle melas. Cattle mela means animals which we are having in our house, like cow, goat, sheep and horses. These all are cattle melas. In this mela they bring their animals and they sell them. Okay, then harvest festivals are celebrated in every state of the country. What is harvest? Harvest festival means cutting down of crop on a particular month, है ना. Then food mela is picking up in cities and town. Boat race, cock fights, camel races, flying of kites and balloons, flower showers, animal fairs, etc. are the attraction of these melas. Okay, then religious celebration bring people of all religion and caste together. Generally, these celebrations are centered around famous temples and shrines. Here it means these celebrations are mostly done on the place where it is there, near the temple. That means near the temple, like Jagannath Puri Kumbh Mela is celebrated in the Ajmer, pilgrimage to the shrine in Ajmer. No, the Kumbh Mela is celebrated in, see here it is Velankani. Okay, Velankani, it is celebrated here. And in, see the Sabarimala pilgrimage of Kerala, it is celebrated in Kerala, Sabarimala. Okay, then every religious teaches us about the God who cares for all. That means God is one. We all know that God is one. So God gave us rivers, sea, hills and mountains without restricting them to anyone, religion or region. That means God has given us these all things, seas, rivers, mountains, but we make difference, not God has made any difference. The rain falls on the good and the evil alike. That means दोनों के ऊपर एक जैसी बारिश होती है. The rainwater flood river that run down hills and mountain, washing and bathing, Hindus, Muslim, Christian. That means Hindu, Muslim, Christian and Sikh all are equal in the eyes of God. Okay, God see everyone as same. Hindu wear the very vermilion tilak on forehead and Sikh wear the turbans. That means जो सिंदूर लगाया जाता है, ऑरेंज कलर सिंदूर लगाया जाता है. Who put this सिंदूर on their this thing tilak? This tilak is put by Hindus. And Sikhs, what the Sikhs wear? They wear turban like this. See, turban is worn by the Sikh people. Muslim wear their caps before prayer. We all know that Muslim people wear their white cap on before the prayer. Then Christian wear cross. Okay. Then these external symbols signifies the God who created Hindu.